Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. I will be going over a brief lesson in regards to when to use the word some and when to use the word any. Because even native speakers often use the word some when they should have used any, and use the word any when they should have used some. So what is the key difference between these very similar words? We use some for positive, affirmative statements. We use any for negative statements. For example, you would say to somebody, if they asked you about coffee, you would say, you can have some coffee. That's an affirmative statement. You would not say, you can have any coffee. That's not how it's used. On the flip side, for any, we use that for negative statements. You would not say, there isn't some chicken left. You would say, there isn't any chicken left. The word isn't is not negative statement. So that is the brief lesson on some and any. Some is for positive statements, affirmative statements. Any is for negative statements. If we were in class together, I would give you a list of sentences and I would have you fill in some or any, right? And then we will go over it together. And then you will create your own sentences using some or any. I hope you enjoyed this brief lesson. Have a great rest of the day.